What's up guys, Aaron from Geek here, and today we're gonna see if you're strong enough to lift not Thor's hammer, but Mario's hammer, and it's happening right now. This workout is called the Ground and Pound Challenge. So imagine, Bowser has sent an army of Goombas your way, and they're not going away anytime soon. And like every video game, this workout has a normal and hard option to pick from. So keep in mind, you're gonna get fatigued. So at any time you wanna drop down from hard mode to normal mode, feel free to do so. All right, so we have two pieces of criteria to hit, the ground and the pound. So in order to hit the ground, we're gonna be doing everyone's favorite exercise, burpees. I know, you already love me. And we obviously have the sledgehammer to satisfy the pound criteria. Wait, that didn't really sound right. Get your head out of the gutter. So I have an 8-pound hammer here. I recommend you using a weight that you're comfortable with. Now, if you don't have a spare sledgehammer lying around, you can substitute these exercises with a plate or a dumbbell held on its ends or a medicine ball. Also, if you don't have any spare tires laying around, I bought some yoga mats at Home Depot for 20 bucks, so there's no excuses to not do this exercise. So this challenge is gonna be done for 3 to 4 rounds, 90 seconds rest in between each round. I'll bring up a full blueprint of the workout so you can try it out yourself. And let me know how long you guys can last against the onslaught of Goombas. Let's get started. Did you make it through the onslaught? Let me know how you did in the comments. If you guys know someone who spends way too much time gaming and might benefit from these video game themed workouts, share this video with them. This is Aaron from Geek Games, and I can't wait to see you have fun in the gym.